In this video we are going to show you how to connect your QooCam 3 to the app. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the camera. Turn on the camera hotspot function. Turn on your smartphone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions. Open the QooCam 3 app. Tap on Connect Camera and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take if you're unable to connect to the QooCam 3 app.